Well, it seems the OnePlus 9 will be one of the most value for money phone to beat, as its About Phone page shows a great hardware setup that OnePlus has chosen for it. Now, after previewing the OnePlus 9 Pro and 9e handsets, it's now time for the OnePlus 9 coming from Tech Maniacs. Now, this new leak kind of made me more excited about the OnePlus 9, but I still have conflicts. Anyway, what we have here: 6.55-inch 1080p 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display, Snapdragon 888 processor, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. Now, the camera is here: 48MP main camera, 50MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP camera. Exciting, right? Well, I know it's because of the 50MP camera sensor, which has too much chance to be this new Sony IMX766 sensor. Okay, let me remind you again. Well, what goes into Oppo's flagships trickles down to OnePlus series afterwards. After all, they are under the same BBK umbrella, and they even merged their R&D departments recently. For example, last year, OnePlus 8 Pro got the same 6.7-inch 120Hz 1440p panel of the Oppo Find X2 Pro. And this year, the OnePlus 9 will most likely gonna get some of the camera sensors of the Oppo Find X3 Pro. Now, the new 50MP IMX766 sensor is a big 1/1.56-inch sensor with giant 1 micron pixels and enhanced night mode algorithms. And this has been developed together with Sony for BBK phones, like the ones from Oppo, Vivo, or even OnePlus. Should we keep our hopes high for the OnePlus 9 series? Yeah, we should. Now, the 2MP camera is the damn macro camera. Forget about that. Now, as per the rumors, OnePlus is putting some real efforts into improving its camera performance with the OnePlus 9 line, specifically with the OnePlus 9 Pro. Leaked photos of the OnePlus 9 Pro by Deb today reveal Hasselblad branding on the camera model on the back. Now, it's a big thing. Even though how much of a marketing it is, we don't know. Click on the cards to check out my video on my other channel to know everything that leaked about the OnePlus 9 series in one video. So the OnePlus 9 Pro's camera bump gonna have 4 cameras: a 148MP camera, one 64MP ultra-wide camera, another 64MP teleporter camera with 3.3x zoom, but the leaked photos shows us 2 big lenses and 2 teeny lenses, which is a little confusing to be exact. Maybe either the teleporter camera or the ultra-wide camera will be smaller than what the rumor is saying. And as for the force sensor on the back, it's still a mystery. But don't expect it to be a color filter sensor though, but maybe just a macro camera. So yeah, that's about it for today. If you guys want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.